we are going to start a set of activities called Newton's Toy Box. Activity 1 is motion in review. First, you will observe a stationary object. What does stationary mean? I think it means to stay still or not move. Also, you will describe the motion of an object when it experiences a force. What's a force? Well, in some of our vocabulary terms, we are going to learn about these different words. Our first one that I will give you is a force is a push or a pull. So when I push these boards away, I'm applying a force to them. As we go through, please make sure that you put these different vocabulary words in your science journal. You will need to define them and then also include an example to help you remember them. What types of force do you experience? Well, gravity, friction, electricity, and magnetism are some different types of forces that you have experienced. What I want you to do is to jot down some examples of when and where you have experienced these forces. What were you doing? And what happened to you because of these forces? Who is Sir Isaac Newton? Well, Isaac Newton was an English scientist and he discovered the principles or the laws that explain how things move, not only here on Earth, but also in space. He was born in the last part of 1642 and died at the age of 84 in 1727. This portrait you see was painted of him this portrait you see of him was painted when he was 46 years old. Well, what will you be doing? In all of the activities, you will be making some observations like those made by Sir Isaac Newton. You'll be making some measurements too. Then we're going to use those discoveries to learn about his laws of motion. I have a challenge for you. What else has Newton done? You'll need to do some research and you will need to display your information in a poster, a trifold, or a PowerPoint. If you do something electronically, please share it with me on Google Docs. You will include a picture and some personal information about Newton. Do you have to do this? No, absolutely not. This is an extra credit opportunity for you to help you get your quarter started and off on a good foot. Well, are we ready for Newton's Toy Box? I'll see you tomorrow.